Alright, this morning we're going to learn about the generating timestamp new date. And there are actually a few ways to go about doing this. And so over the next few videos we're going to cover some information about date because it's always useful to know. So let's go ahead and let's create a document that's just going to have dates in it. So first of all, we're going to create a document. Let's see. And we're going to first of all use this new date operator, or I'm sorry, this new date function, and put this between brackets. Okay, and this will get this saved. Alright, so let's look at this. We entered new date, and you'll see that it's basically a timestamp. If I were to look at this, this is configured to be at least what it perceives as the current time. And so, and this is correct as far as, it is 2014-07-08. Okay? So, if I was going to generate a timestamp, this is one way in which I could do that. This is not the only way to do that, but this is one way in which I could do that. Now, what's really interesting about the new date operator is I could actually go ahead and generate the new date here. I could say 2000, back here, 2014, and I could do 1-1. Now we will note there's something very interesting here that will happen. And what do you think the date will be when I insert this value? And you notice it is the first of the month, but it's it's March. It's February, right? So one thing to note, if I were to pass in 0, we now have January. And then, of course, because testing is so much fun, and we will see that 2 is March. So that is something to note about the new date operator, is that if you want to pass in a specific date, you can do that in the new date operator, right? So it's going to be year, month, and the day of the month. Note, though, on the actual month value, that's the second value here, that the index starts at 0. So basically there's, per that, there's 11 months, not 12 months. There's 12 months, but there's 11 values, basically. If we were to go here, we would see that's December, okay, because it's starting at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 12 values, okay? So if we want to generate a timestamp on the fly, one way, it's not the only way, but one way we can do that is we can use this new date operator, as you see. If we want to edit what the date is going to be, we can actually pass the information between those parentheses of that new date. And the syntax is going to be year, then month, and then day. Note on the month, though, the index starts at 0 of the month. So January is 0, and December is 11. And so the range is between those points.